Imagine driving down the highway, completely unaware that a hidden danger is sitting right in front of you, not in another car, not on the road, but inside your own steering wheel. That's the terrifying reality for owners of over 225,000 vehicles right now. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Stellantis have just issued an urgent "do not drive" order for these older cars, and the reason will send chills down your spine. We're talking about Takata airbags, the same ones that caused the largest automotive recall in history. But here's what makes this different. These particular airbags have become ticking time bombs. As they age, the chemical propellant inside degrades. When triggered in a crash, or sometimes even spontaneously, the metal inflator can explode with such force that it turns into a grenade, spraying sharp metal fragments directly at the driver's face, neck, and chest. This isn't hypothetical. These explosions have already been linked to dozens of deaths and hundreds of serious injuries worldwide. The shrapnel moves at bullet-like speeds, and victims have suffered horrific lacerations, severed arteries, and traumatic brain injuries. What makes this especially urgent is that these 225,000 vehicles are still on the roads today. They're older models, many from the early 2000s, that have somehow slipped through the recall net. Their owners might not even know they're driving a potential death trap. Maybe the recall notice got lost in the mail. Maybe the car changed hands multiple times. Or maybe people just thought, "It won't happen to me." But with each passing day, the risk grows exponentially. The chemical degradation accelerates with heat and humidity, meaning a car in Florida or Texas becomes dangerous much faster than one in Minnesota. Now here's the critical part. If your vehicle is on this list, you cannot drive it to the dealership. I repeat, do not get behind the wheel. The act of driving itself could trigger the explosion, especially if you hit a pothole or experience any sudden jolt. Instead, here's exactly what you need to do. First, go to NHTSA.gov/recalls right now. Enter your vehicle identification number, that 17-digit code on your dashboard, or your license plate number. The website will instantly tell you if your car is under this "do not drive" order. If it is, don't panic. Pick up your phone and call your local dealership. By law, they are required to fix this completely free of charge. Not just to repair everything, they will arrange to tow your car to their service center at no cost to you. Some dealers are even sending mobile repair technicians directly to your home or workplace. They'll replace the dangerous airbag inflator with a safe one right in your driveway. This isn't a suggestion. It's a legal requirement under the recall. You won't pay for the tow, the repair, or even a loaner car if you need one. The process typically takes just a few hours. Think about that. A few hours of inconvenience versus a lifetime of consequences. While you're checking your VIN, make it a habit. Check every 6 months. Recalls happen all the time for various issues: faulty brakes, electrical fires, fuel leaks. Your safety dashboard should include regular recall checks alongside oil changes and tire rotations. Spread this information to everyone you know. Share this video. Post it on social media. Talk to your neighbors, your family, your coworkers. That older Dodge Charger, Chrysler 300, or Jeep Grand Cherokee sitting in someone's driveway could be a death trap waiting to happen. We're not just talking about statistics here. We're talking about real people, parents driving their kids to school, college students commuting to work, grandparents running errands. This recall could literally save lives. The Takata airbag crisis has been unfolding for over a decade, but these 225,000 vehicles represent the most dangerous remaining group. They're the final frontier in this safety battle. Getting them off the roads completes a critical chapter in automotive safety history. So take action today, right now, because the most dangerous car is the one whose danger you don't know about. Your safety and the safety of everyone on the road depends on it.